Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday, 1st April. April Fool. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, and my dear friends, today is 1st April. Not because this day is important for April Fool's Day, but today NFP non-farm payroll will be released. So be careful, there will be craziness in the market again. Here is our forex factory, and you can see that the unemployment rate. So be careful during the evening pairs. Keep in mind, market will be very volatile. New traders, beginners should avoid trading during that particular time. And if you have an ongoing position on any USD pairs, be careful. And as per our expectation and hope, DXY did bounce from the 97.75 level last time, and right now trading at 98.46. This is the current market price of DXY. So during the event, keep in mind that if there is too much volatility in the market, then nothing will work. Always keep in mind that fundamentals always dominate the technicals. So still, if market goes up, if there is a heavy bullishness in the market, then 99.5 99.50 at the top will be standing at the resistance. Extremely sorry, as you know that I do not get time to edit my videos, and I don't know also. So please bear with the unprofessionalism. Anyways, 99.50 at the top will be standing at as the resistance if market goes up, and in case market goes down, then we have 97.75 again. Yes, 97.75 will be standing as the support for the DXY. In case market breaks 97.75, then we can hope that 97.40 will be the next support for DXY. That's all about DXY. Let's look at the chart of gold. XAUUSD. This is the 4-hour chart of gold, but for today, the 4-hour chart is not that important. Let's try to understand the levels in the 15 minutes time frame. So this is a 15 minutes time frame of gold in front of us. As you can see, that right now market is trading in an upward channel. This is an upward channel. Market is constantly forming new highs. So it signifies the presence of buyers in the market. Higher highs usually signifies the presence of buyers in the market. Right now there is not much volatility. Right now market trading at 1937. So if market starts falling from here, if market starts falling from here, then around 1932-34, the 200 moving average, you can expect market to take some support. But keep in mind, during the NFP, if there is heavy volatility in the market, then the 200 moving average will not be able to hold the selling pressure, because this is not strong enough. This is not giving us any strong support as of now. So 200 moving average, in this case, is not that important. The strongest support, if you ask me, Avilas, which is the strongest support, सबसे strongest support कौन सा है? Then it is around 1920. Again, 1920 to 1917 is the strongest support on the chart of gold. If market comes down to this level and bounces, we can get a buying position. Yes, confirmation is always important. If you see price bouncing from here, if you see market taking support around this area, then only take a buy position. Or if market breaks it, then obviously 1910 will be the next level. 1910, 1900, there will be a huge fall. So as of now, let's hope that 1920 will be able to hold the market. So 1920, 1917, and if all fails, then 1900, 1895, etc. Ultimate support. Ultimate support around 1890, 1895. But I don't think so. The market will be testing the level of 1890, 1895. इतना दूर तो नहीं जाना चाहिए. 1920, ठीक है. But yes, confirmation is always important. And in case market goes up from here, in case you find market going up from here, then keep in mind, yesterday we had a resistance around 1945. around 1945 we had a resistance, but this is an upward challenge, so you cannot expect that market will be facing the same selling pressure. No, this time around 1945 market may not face. Okay, this time 1950, yes, new level because market is an uptrend right now, upward channel. Okay, so previous levels will not be valid. So 1950 will be the next level for the market. If market goes up, okay, around 1950 you can expect market to face some selling pressure. Okay, but during the NFP, if you see that market is in a 1950 level, okay, then observe the market carefully. It will be very risky because 1950 is not as very strong, बहुत strong resistance नहीं है. It's not a very strong resistance. Okay, if you see price being rejected from above, then only take a sell position around 1950. Okay, the good selling position is around 1960, 1959. Around this level you can expect market to face some selling pressure, and ultimately you can expect market to face selling pressure or to take a sell position around 1965. If market goes up, there is a high possibility that around 1965 market will be facing strong selling pressure and we can take a sell position. But around 1950 is a minor resistance right now. Do not trust much. Without proper confirmation, do not take a sell position. Around 1960, 1961, more or less ठीक ठाक है ये. Okay. If market reverses from here, you can take a sell position. But ultimate selling position or resistance is 1965 for Friday. Okay. So three resistances: 1950, very minor resistance. Then 1960, tick tock, more or less okay. Then 1965, the strongest resistance. And in case markets starts falling, as we all know that news is also coming up, so keep in mind that 200 period moving average, 200 mm may not provide the support to the market, and in case market falls, then 1920 will be the next big support for the market. 1920, 1970, and if it breaks also, then 1910, 1895, 1890 and all. Okay, so these are the levels for gold as of now that I see on the chart. Be careful, any good setup may fail, so please use proper risk management, because this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Protect your hard-earned money, and as I always say, don't be a gambler, be a trader. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, all the best.